Shia daughter. Shabbat or Shia? Shia. Shia. Shia or Shia? Shia. Shia daughter. Shabbat or Shia? Shia. Shia. Shia or Shia? Shia.
Cheesecake. Apple pie. Chocolate chip cookies. Cheesecake. Apple pie. Chocolate. I'm looking to hire a virtual assistant for calling all the attention of user ng niacinamide serum, 10%, licorice plus po. Last 500 na po ito kagabi, pero dahil nakabenta at ako ng 200 kagabi, ito na lang po yung naiiwan. So sa mga may melasma, sa mga may acne, very oily ang face po ninyo, gusto po ninyong magkaroon po ng plumpier skin sa mukha, ito po ang ginagamit ni Miss Ayang Bere. Unfortunately,
Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Oh, sorry, I didn't saw your message on WeChat yesterday. Yeah,
Okay.
I was waiting in class yesterday, but I didn't check the message. Yeah, it's okay. You have a lot of homework yesterday.
Yes, I'm very busy this week.
Oh, why? You have an exam?
Because I have many homework and I have to
Oh, okay. Yes. Oh, what competition is it?
it's
Okay. Oh, so you are very busy. Oh, one painting competition. Wow! So painting and dance competition. Wow, so you are very good in painting. What is that? Is it mm, is it oil painting?
no, it's
No. Okay. Watercolor. Oh, what are you going to paint for the competition? Do you have a plan in mind what you are going to paint for the competition? Have you think of any ideas what you are going to paint for the competition?
Uh, yes.
What are you going to paint?
Mm,
Oh, okay. See. Flowers. Oh, flowers when they have airspace. Ah, robotic elements. Wow, you're very busy. Where do you practice your painting? At home or in the art class? That's very nice. You join a lot of competition and also the dance. Is it a traditional dance? Traditional dance?
传统舞蹈，
um, it's
Okay, let me see. Folk dance. Oh, nice. You are going to wear a beautiful dress. Wow.
I can take a photo to you.
Yeah, you can send in the WeChat. Let me see.
Okay.
Wow. I want to watch in your dance competition. Looks really nice. You need to take a video of your dance competition. I want to watch it. I like dancing. I also joined dance competition before with my friends, with my classmates. It's really nice. Mm. Is it a group dance?
Yes.
这是集体舞吗？
Oh, you have boys and girls or only girls?
Two 10 boys and 10 girls.
That's a lot of girls. Where's your photo?
Um, um, I I go to dancing on this Sunday.
Oh, when is your competition? This Sunday?
Yes.
That's nice. So you will be very busy. You have you have a very busy evening. Do you practice for your dance competition in the evening?
Um,
When do you practice for your competition? Because you need to practice.
um, I don't know your minutes.
You are very busy. So what time do you usually have your dance practice? No. You are busy. So what time do you have your dance practice?
Um,
In the evening? Oh, okay. That's a lot. That's why sometimes you cannot attend our class because you are very busy for the competition and it's really important.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So much, Lily, for sharing. So we are going to continue now with our lesson for today. So we are done with this. Hello,
Hello?
can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Sorry, there is a power interruption in my place.
Okay.
Anyway, we are going to continue now for our next activity. We are going to talk about chronological narrative. So what is chronological narratives? When you write a chronological narratives, you describe when each event happened. So we are in this part. To make the story more interesting, you can set the scene and create suspense. This is the meaning of suspense. To express the sequence of events, you can use the expression such as ago, afterward, immediately, suddenly, or then. So again, chronological order, it means you describe when the event happened. So we can see the expressions in the story below. So the story about a search for gorilla. So how many expressions can you see in the story? So let's read the story first, Lily. Please read. Okay, please read it. Search for gorilla. Ready, go.
Mm, search for gorilla. A few years ago, the explorer Maria visited a Eagle in
Maria Mayor visited a jungle. Again, jungle.
jungle in Africa because she wanted to learn more about female
Learn about female.
female
Female.
female. But also she joined some other scientists who were studying a called Tingle Together.
Tingle.
Tingle Together. They followed the girls everywhere. It was incredibly hot and the air was difficult. First, there were bees in her face. Then she had to hike through mud for hours. At one point, when she was hiking through mud, she grabbed a tree, but she didn't know that there were ants in the tree. Hundreds of ants fell on her head, and they were running through her hair. They crawled under her clothes and bit her many times. It was horrible, but something amazing happened. Suddenly he heard a female girl's scream. She felt so excited. This was the film I wanted to find. She immediately forgot about being mad and ants and ran to find
And
the girl. It was one of the most exciting moments
moment.
moments of her life.
Okay, so the gorilla. Okay. So a search for gorilla. So a few years ago, Mireya Mayor she wants to visit the jungle because she wants to learn more or she wants to know about gorilla. She wants to learn about female. When we say female, it means the girl. But when we say male, it is the boy gorilla. Okay. And then after that, it's very dangerous in the jungle because there are wild animals. But when she saw the big gorilla, she became very excited and she immediately forgot the bees, moths, and ants and ran to find the gorilla. So she's very excited too because she wants to saw in real life what a gorilla looked like. Wow, it's a flipper. Do you have how many expressions are there or used in the story? Again, what are the expressions used in the story? Burn out. This one.
Um, uh, use example.
Me?
Example.
What are the expressions? Okay, these are the expressions. This one. Ago, afterward, immediately, suddenly, and then. So we the word immediate. What else?
A few years ago.
Few years ago. What else?
Uh, First.
Where is it? This one. Okay. So first, and then at one point,
Then.
then suddenly, then.
Then.
So how many are there? How many?
6.
One. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, let's continue. Okay, so we can see here another picture. What animal can you see? What is it? This one, Lily. What is this?
Um, it's
This one. Mosaic jellyfish. This one.
马赛克
Mexico
水母，
Mexico jellyfish.
Mosaic jellyfish. So it is a kind of jellyfish. Share your ideas. Are they the same or different? The jellyfishes are the same or they look different? All the jellyfish look the same or different?
Different.
Why do you say it's different?
Because they have all kinds of
They have different color,
yes,
different, okay, different. And some jellyfish is poisonous. Okay, so some of them, they are poisonous. Some of them, they are not poisonous. It's just okay. So they are different from each other. Okay, for our next activity, we have this one, the robot's rule. For the next lesson, Lily, we are going to have this topic, okay, because we don't have much time for now. Before we end our lesson,
I can see a robot.
a quick review. What did
Robot's real.
hello?
Hello.
Before we end our lesson today, what did we learn for today's class? This one?
I learn I learn about some points about and some points about animals.
Okay, so what animals? What animals are those? So we have the gorilla and the animals that we can find in the jungle, so wild animals. Okay, so we will be ending for today's class, Lily. Let's see each other again tomorrow. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.